History and shipping. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. Best design for bathroom accessories, wood shutters, and living room ideas. Welcome to the world of timeless elegance and natural charm with our exquisite collection of wood shutters. Crafted from the finest hardwoods, our shutters are more than just window coverings, they're a statement of sophistication and craftsmanship. Whether you're seeking to enhance the rustic charm of a country cottage or add warmth to a modern urban loft, our range of wood shutters offers versatility and style to complement any decor. Each shutter is meticulously crafted to perfection, showcasing the unique grain patterns and rich tones of natural wood, adding warmth and character to any room. With customizable options including paint or stain finishes, louvre sizes, and hardware selections, you have the freedom to create a truly bespoke look that reflects your individual style and preferences. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, our wood shutters also provide practical benefits, offering privacy, light control, and insulation against heat and cold. Invest in the timeless beauty and enduring quality of wood shutters, and transform your space into a haven of comfort and refinement that will be cherished for years to come. Step into a world where sophistication meets functionality with our premium collection of wood shutters. Crafted from hand-selected hardwoods renowned for their durability and natural beauty, our shutters exude a sense of timeless elegance that effortlessly enhances any interior space. Each shutter is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, ensuring impeccable quality and attention to detail in every aspect of its design. From the smooth operation of the louvres to the seamless integration of hardware, our shutters are engineered to deliver years of reliable performance and enduring beauty. Whether you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm to a cozy cottage or elevate the elegance of a contemporary living space, our wood shutters offer unparalleled versatility to complement any decor style. With a variety of finishes, stains, and customization options available, you can create a truly bespoke look that reflects your unique sense of style and elevates the ambience of your home. Invest in the enduring beauty and functionality of wood shutters, and experience the perfect blend of form and function in your living spaces. Sleek minimalism. Embrace the beauty of simplicity by furnishing your living room with clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a neutral color palette. Opt for minimalist furniture pieces with sleek profiles and incorporate pops of color through accent pillows or artwork. Cozy Hygge Haven. Create a cozy sanctuary inspired by the Danish concept of hygge. Layer soft throws and plush rugs for texture, add warm lighting with candles or string lights, and introduce natural elements like wood and plants to evoke a sense of comfort and relaxation. Eclectic Bohemian. Embrace an eclectic mix of patterns, textures, and colors to cultivate a bohemian-inspired living room. Mix and match vintage and globally inspired decor pieces, such as colorful rugs, woven baskets, and embroidered textiles, to create a vibrant and inviting space. Modern Industrial. Channel urban sophistication with a modern industrial aesthetic. Expose brick walls or concrete floors for a raw, industrial look, and complement them with sleek metal furniture and minimalist accents. Transitional elegance. Blend traditional and contemporary elements to create a transitional living room that exudes timeless elegance. Mix classic furniture silhouettes with modern accents and finishes for a balanced look. Opt for neutral color schemes with pops of color for visual interest, and accessorize with a mix of textures and patterns. Incorporate statement pieces like a striking chandelier or oversized artwork to add drama and personality to the space. Global fusion. Infuse your living room with eclectic charm by embracing a global fusion style. Mix and match furniture and decor from different cultures and regions to create a worldly aesthetic. Incorporate elements like Moroccan rugs, Indian textiles, and African masks for a vibrant and eclectic look. Add layers of texture with woven baskets, ceramic pottery, and handcrafted accessories to create a space that tells a story and reflects your wanderlust. Urban loft. Capture the industrial chic vibe of an urban loft with exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and open, airy spaces. Choose furniture with clean lines and a mix of metal and wood finishes for an edgy yet sophisticated look. Incorporate vintage industrial elements like factory-style lighting fixtures and salvaged architectural pieces for added character. Transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of style and functionality with our exquisite range of bathroom accessories. From sleek and modern designs to timeless classics, we offer an extensive selection to suit every taste and decor. Elevate your daily routine with luxurious soap dispensers, elegant towel racks, and chic toothbrush holders that not only add flair to your space but also enhance its organization and convenience. Crafted from high-quality materials such as stainless steel, ceramic, and glass, our accessories combine durability with aesthetic appeal, ensuring they withstand the test of time while complementing your bathroom's aesthetic. Whether you prefer minimalist simplicity or ornate detailing, our collection caters to diverse preferences, allowing you to create a personalized haven where functionality meets elegance. With our carefully curated range of bathroom accessories, every moment spent in your bathroom becomes an indulgent experience, offering both comfort and style in equal measure. Indulge in the art of bathroom decor refinement with our extensive selection of meticulously crafted accessories. From the moment you step into your lavatory, our assortment of premium fixtures elevates every aspect of your routine. Luxurious soap dispensers seamlessly dispense your favorite scents, while our plush towel racks offer a sanctuary for your linens, combining practicality with elegance. Embrace the allure of sophistication with our range of sleek toothbrush holders and elegant tissue box covers, designed to add a touch of opulence to your space. Crafted from the finest materials, including gleaming chrome, polished porcelain, and sumptuous marble, our accessories marry durability with sophistication, promising enduring beauty for years to come. Whether you're drawn to contemporary minimalism or timeless traditionalism, our collection boasts a diverse array of styles to suit every taste and aesthetic. With our meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality, every element of your bathroom ensemble reflects your discerning taste and elevates your daily rituals to a luxurious experience. Welcome to a world where functionality meets finesse, where every accessory serves as a testament to your impeccable sense of style and refinement. Welcome to the world of timeless elegance and natural charm with our exquisite collection of wood shutters. Crafted from the finest hardwoods, our shutters are more than just window coverings, they're a statement of sophistication and craftsmanship. Whether you're seeking to enhance the rustic charm of a country cottage or add warmth to a modern urban loft, our range of wood shutters offers versatility and style to complement any decor. Each shutter is meticulously crafted to perfection, showcasing the unique grain patterns and rich tones of natural wood, adding warmth and character to any room. With customizable options including paint or stain finishes, louve sizes, and hardware selections, you have the freedom to create a truly bespoke look that reflects your individual style and preferences. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, our wood shutters also provide practical benefits, offering privacy, light control, and insulation against heat and cold. Invest in the timeless beauty and enduring quality of wood shutters, and transform your space into a haven of comfort and refinement that will be cherished for years to come.
Hired professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.